Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on really quickly and show you how to diminish diminish stretch marks around your breast in like under 30 seconds, okay? So what you're gonna need either a body butter. I have Shoe. Can you see it? Shoe. Nonetheless, Shoe by ATUM, and it has prickly pear, which is amazing butter. It's hard to find. It absorbs amazingly. It doesn't leave your skin greasy. It has really great vitamin content, as well as there's shea butter, argan oil, jojoba, a whole bunch of good stuff in this butter, right? So you could get a butter, or you could get an oil. I have my little concoction here. I have some tamu oil. I have some black seed oil. I have argan oil and jojoba oil in here, so you could definitely use an oil, but make sure that they're really good premium oils. You don't want to just be using anything. If you have only anything, then by all means, but try your hardest to really get yourself some really good oils that absorb into the skin and that really provide great vitamin content in there. And what you're going to do, so after all my long talking, you can get some of your butter or your oil, and then move this down. And then you would just, what I would do, I normally do this after my shower, but I make sure to like go all the way around and really focus on them. Less than 30 seconds a day, guys, and it definitely makes a difference in diminishing the stretch marks, as well as I always wear a bra when I'm going outside or doing things. The reason being, I keep my breasts are always moisturized, and I try to keep them up as much as possible. As we do get older, our breasts begin to sag. It is a part of nature. I can't stop it. It is what it is. However, we can definitely help to reduce the signs. So what I do is I definitely wear a bra when I can, and I definitely let them breathe when they need to be breathing, but it definitely keep them moistured and give them some support. But that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Have a great evening. I love you. Bye.